Alright everybody, how y'all doing and welcome back to my channel. I am here with the unboxing of my grandson's headphones he got from his Christmas party yesterday. And he said, you know what, Pop, after he got through listening to it, I want you to go ahead on and do an unboxing to let the viewers know how good it sounds. He loved them. He tested them out yesterday, he loved them. And as you know, a 7-year-old don't know anything about product presentation, so he asked me to do it for him. So I'm unboxing my grandson's headphones that he got from his Christmas party yesterday. And the name of the company is Jaxx. Qualities it has premium sound quality, foldable design, adjustable headband, and comfort ear cushions. And also it has a built-in microphone. So yes, if you're using it with your cell phone or you're using it with your tablet, it has a mute button and it has a microphone to make phone calls while you out on the run and your phones go off, and you can go ahead and use the microphone for that. So let's look at the box quality. It looked good. Now it did take a beating in shipping. You know, the teacher gave it to him, gave him some nice gift, and that was very applaudable of her. So the box took a beating. So all structurability wise, the box did get damaged. So, but we're not talking about how the box is because we're not listening to the box. But other than that, it has all your functionality and the great presentation of the product. You know what it is, and you can say, hey, let me try them. Let me see how good these headphones sounds for me. So quality and presentation is there. The rest of the information is at the bottom of the box. I'm gonna go over it with you. Specifications: driver diameter is 40 millimeters. Independence is 32 ohms. Frequency response is 20 hertz to 20 hertz. Sensitivity is 100 dB plus minus 3 dB. Cable length is about 5 feet, which is 4.93 feet. So like I said, about a little bit on the 5 feet side. And plug type is 3.5 millimeter stereo. Okay, enough of that there. Let's get right into it. What's in the box? Pretty much as you see, just the headphones itself, nothing else in the box. We're gonna put the box aside and we're gonna take the headphones out. Alrighty, here, just like they said, the foldable quality design. So yes, if you are on traveling or you're done doing what you need to do, and if you want to save desk space, start buying a headphone headstands, you can go ahead and fold them up and put them out the way of your on the desk. If you got a long gaming desk that works good like that, I also recommend that you get you some earphone muff protectors, so you want to damage this marshmallow plastic here. Yes, it is plastic. The stretchability is decent quality. You know, I'm not sitting down here and says it is great quality, but it's decent enough. If you mishandle it wrong, you will break it, just like any other headphones, whether they're $99, $250, $3,000. Yes, I saw a lot of people bought $3,000 headphones. If you handle it wrong, it will break. So keep that in mind. The foldability is there, as you see. You have your adjusters on the side. Here you have your mute button. Yep, that's your mute button. So if you want to mute a call or stop playing music, you hit that. You have your microphone right there, and you have your 3.5 high stereo because you got 3 prime pieces, gold tip connectors. Y'all probably sit down, sit around. The cable looks short. Never. And it is just like they said. It goes way out there. So yes, you get 4.93 feet of cable, which is close to 5 feet of cable. So you don't really need that much cable, like I do. I like 10 feet, 6 feet, etc. But for my grandson, this product will do good for him. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go through the sound test and the quality of it. Y'all keep in mind, I will be playing my music off Spotify through the headphones because that is protected content music. If you're new to Spotify, I'll be putting the link in the description below. You can go ahead and download it for your mobile player, tablet, cell phone, or you could do the desktop version, either or. The link will be in the description below. So give me about 30 minutes to set everything up and we get right into it. Alright everybody, we are back. It took about 15 minutes for me to get set up and get repositioned so I could be facing y'all in the camera as I do the try-on test as well as the volume listening test through the headphones. Okay, right now it has nice good soft cushions. As you see, not bad. The cushion is not bad. So I mean they're soft enough, but just like I said, I'll be putting in the description below because I have seen a lot of good headphones. If you have HyperX, if you have Corsair, or any high quality headphone, whether you use them for gaming or listening, JBLs, etc., already get you some earphone cushion covers. Get you some of those and you ain't got nothing to worry about. They get dirty, wash them off, they dry quick, and you cannot go wrong for that. So those will be in the description below. So let's get right into it. Now, like I said, the cushion is good. It's not twistable. It's not gaming. It's just your regular comfort listening. Because the reason why I'm doing these videos because a lot of people have not stepped out their comfort zone. I'm one of them that did not step out the comfort zone. I do have a pair of gaming headphones, but I don't use them. I might be giving those to my grandson, or I might just be using for something else. But other than that, this is where I mostly be at. And trust me, I'm a headphone junkie, so I got tons of these sitting around my desk area. So now we're going to adjust it to my head size, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, I went too fast. 1, 2, 3. You'll hear like a little thump in every height leveling, so just feel for that there and you'll be good to go. That's how you know you at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. So now we're gonna put them on. Very comfortable on the ears. They're not bad. So the comfortability passed. They are very comfortable and the band is good. Just keep in mind a lot of y'all be reckless. Try to be careful with this because this is plastic. As we all know, plastic crack and tear up. So, and trust me, I have brought a lot of headphones for my wife and she went through every last headphones I brought for her. So, tore them up. So, but these here for my grandson works for him. So now, just like I said, y'all see it. I'm gonna show you. I have Spotify open, but you won't hear anything because they're coming through my headphones. I'm just letting the YouTube management know where I'm listening to my music from. So they tell us, oh, you said Spotify, we have to go ahead on and copyright the video. So just keep in mind everything coming through the headphones. So you won't hear any copy content. I won't have to face lawsuits. I'll have to deal with copyright strikes or anything. So let's go to the music listening. First, let me find the headphone jack. I found it on the Samsung tablet, which is my wife's tablet, by the way. Samsung tablet, I'll be putting that in the description below. So you can go ahead and buy your nice Samsung tablet. Why? You can still get them on sale. All right. Fits right into the headphone jack perfectly. So now we're finna get into some music listening. And let's do this. Now, just keep in mind, as I'm selecting through the music, I'll be doing a time lapse through it, so you won't be sitting bored. I had a lot of people got mad at me. Oh, you should cut that part out. Oh, they said you don't know how to do product presentations. To the haters, thank you for watching. So just like I said, I'm gonna time lapse it so I could go ahead and get right to the music and let you know how everything is. I just muted the music so I'll let you know that the quality is clear. I can hear the highest. I can hear the artist coming through nice and clear. I can hear the music nice, good and clear. So I'm gonna unmute it and go right back to it. Just keep in mind, I just showed y'all the mute button is right here. And if you have your cell phone, your microphone button is right there. You can also mute calls as well as pause music pressing the button. The artist I'm listening to is the new Mariah Carey Sugar featuring Kalani and Shensia, whatever her name is. I like it. The quality of the sound is perfect. The cushions on the headphones is good. So I really got no issues with these. So these are good quality headphones. Just to sit down here and go into quiet listening mode. You don't want nobody to hear what you listening, or you got your volume on your tablet too loud or your phone too loud. You can always go in silent mode and you can just enjoy good quality music, and it gives good quality sound. So yes, let me give it one more listening. All right, everything sounds good, sounds clear. Now I'm going to give you my conclusion. I'm going to close everything out right now. Will I recommend these headphones? Absolutely, I will recommend them because these are good quality headphones. How much they cost? All that be in the description below. Just like I said, it was a Christmas present for my grandson. He gave me the permission to unbox it, and I might buy me a pair because these are good quality headphones. Just to add to my headphone collection, my Gig Gold, my JVCs. I got 2 other brands in there. I'll be putting those in the description as well as the videos of the unboxings. Trust me, when it comes down to headphones and good quality headphones, I know where to find them at. I don't have to buy top leading brand headphones to spend an arm and a leg, because in my marketing class, they taught me one thing: take the name off the product, whether it was Corsair, JBL, you name it, JVCs, etc. You name it. Take the brand off, and if the product was $19.99 or $25.99, would you still buy it? For me, that's a yes, because I know how to do that. I know how Kobe's are. All the headphones I mentioned are the headphones I pushed back in the days. Kenwoods are only sold in California, so they only ship all their products in California. They don't ship them all around the US no more like they used to. So, quality rise is there. Traveling rise, as you see, and space saving rise, I can put it right there in the corner of my desk. Get my headphones like this and get the cord, do a nice little quick wrap like this here, lay it down like that. Corner on my desk, nice and neatly. Perfect. Traveling, put them in a traveling case, put them nicely, have the traveling case clipped, because now we have clip-on traveling cases where you can put your stuff and clip it and carry it with you. That passed the test. Sound quality, structurability, pass. So, yes, I will recommend you to buy them. Click on the link in the description below. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next unboxing soon. I love you, happy holidays, and be safe. Peace.